In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Sending heartiest greetings to my viewers, subscribers, and followers. I welcome you to another tempting recipe by Serenity Cuisine. Today I will share a steam cake recipe that's so much easy and quick to make. You can see how delicious it's looking. You can drizzle many types of syrups and enjoy your steam cake. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel on YouTube. Follow me for more such recipes if you are with me on Instagram or Facebook. Let's start making this delicious cake. Take 2 eggs at room temperature and whisk. Add brown sugar. I am adding 6 teaspoons. You can add according to your taste. Whisk until the sugar is dissolved completely. Add 1 cup of evaporated milk. You can make it at home by boiling milk for a long period of time than usual. Whisk, whisk and whisk. Add 2 tablespoons of any oil. Add 3/4 teaspoon of active yeast. You can also steam normal cake sponges. Just steam instead of baking. Whisk thoroughly. Add any flavor or color. I am adding 1 teaspoon of strawberry flavor and 1/4 teaspoon of rose pink color. Whisk. If you reach this section of recipe, accept special thanks. It gives me immense pleasure if you give a thumbs up to help in growing me. These are little gestures of love and care. Sift 1/2 cup whole wheat flour. Also sift 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Sift 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix everything well to make a batter. Now use spatula instead of mix, and mix in one direction. It's liquidy, so I am adding 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour again. Give batter a good mix to make a smooth paste. Now cover and wait for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour you will see bubbles. Mix it with soft hands to remove bubbles. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well. Take a pan and line with baking paper. Add cake batter. Please tell who is waiting for strawberries like me. set and put in steamer. Check after half an hour. Your cake is done. Let it cool. The amazing steam cake is ready to eat. You can enjoy it with tea or in breakfast. Instead of buying from market, steam your own cakes. You can make birthday cakes from it or use in desserts. Working women and singles can make for breakfast, also ideal for kids snacking or lunchbox. I hope you liked the pink Chinese steam cake. See you soon with something healthy.